Hello people, so it's your favorite comedy, School2 comedy. I want to tell you thank you so much for all of your subscriptions. We thank you for watching, for viewing, for tagging. Thank you for all the follows, thank you for all the likes. We really appreciate you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. But then, don't stop watching. Don't stop telling people about it, and try as much as possible to spread it around so people can see. And of course, I'm your favorite actress on School2 comedy, Caro. Yeah, I'm always represented, and here we are having fun. Okay guys, thank you.
Hello guys, thanks for watching School2 comedy. We appreciate you guys. If not for you guys, we wouldn't be here. Like here, we're enjoying ourselves. As you can see, we're on School2 t-shirt. Thanks for watching School2 comedy, and don't forget to keep watching School2 comedy and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Let's go. Double up.
What about you? Hello!
What does it? Ladies and gentlemen, what's it?
We just want to say thank you for standing with us right from the first day to today. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. We want to say thank you, big thank you to all of you, because without you, we will be here. Remember, we are still growing. We are just coming up. We are growing. So I want you to stay with us. Let's grow together. It's a family show. Thank you so much. You can see we are all celebrating. School2, you say big thank you.
Which guy does this? Yay! Lasso! Hey, that's it. Wake up.
They want to see. Yeah, I knew that. So, hey, let me your style. Let me give you your style.
My name is Abari, member of School2 comedy. As you can see, we've learned something new, and very soon probably we'll be giving this out to all our fans everywhere in Nigeria, all over the world, just to say a very big thank you. Don't give up on us. We'll have wonderful skits coming, and very soon we'll make you guys proud, even more than we've been doing. Okay, invite your friends, share our videos, post them everywhere on social media. Let people watch and let people enjoy. School2 loves you. God bless you. Lega.
Yes. All right. Yeah. Hello, my people. What's up? How you guys doing, man? One love, man. This your boy is born in the building, aka the Kokoro Master. Yes, so that's the Grand Master. Everything chilling. Because we go where must wear. Kokoro things. Now one life, nothing is solved. Yes, School2. Oh my God, don't bless us. God will bless us. They go. And when I wash, God will continue to bless now too. When I continue to wash School2. Yeah, we are going higher. Now so then talk him. Now so we still believe. Now so Baba God talk him. Amen.
See now, you can see.
I can give out.
Please keep on watching School2 comedy. We love you all. Thanks for your love and support. Now School2 is going higher and higher every day. All because of you guys. Keep watching School2 Comedy.
Hi guys, I'm Joseph Blexing Ezine, popularly known as Kunzini. I really want to say big thank you. Oh God, when I say thank you, I want to say a big thank you for you guys, for your love and support. We pray that God will continue to bless you. But please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You're watching School2 Comedy. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also like our pages. We love you. Thank you. Keep enjoying School2. See ya.